Hey guys, what's happening? In this video today, I want to teach you how to use transitions in Shotcut to make your videos sparkle. Let's get on to the tutorial now. Right guys, so you're going to get this. First of all, import the videos you want to apply the transitions to. Next, drag the first video file onto your timeline. Trim or adjust if needed at this moment. After, drag the second file next to the first one. Continuing. Next, drag the second onto the first file, and a purple and blue box shall appear. Mouse over to adjust the length of the transition. The length would be the time frame or the period of time the transition will last for. When to change the transition via clicking and heading to the properties bar. The video drop down box will have the various effects as seen, from dissolve or simple cut. And that's it. So here's what you learn in this video about transitions. Transitions can be found in the filter section of Shotcut. Just go on the tab, click it, and press the plus sign, and you see different transitions coming down. And you see, it's easy as that, can be adjusted in no time. And you too, yes you over there watching, you too can master it. So like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel if you found this interesting. Or remember, videos will be every week, and I know today's Sunday, so you're gonna begin our next video again. So if you have any other questions, do hit me up in the comments. Ask me if you want to do different types of tutorials, different types of editing software. We still have tech coming up. We still have some more. I have a few gear reviews coming up. So be here for it. So have a great day and see you in another one.